In this video, I'm finally getting rid of these '06 Debrick seats that I had in my coupe. I've had them in for over a year, and with these Debrick seats, when you put them in a GC, they sit really high. And with the driver's seat, you can adjust them, but they still sit really high compared to the stock. And with the passenger seat, there's no adjustment. So if you have a passenger that's somewhat tall, they're gonna hit their head. So they look cool, but as far as function, they're really not the best route to go with a GC. They're also really big, so if you have a coupe, it's hard to get in the back seat, and they're a lot heavier. So I'm finally getting rid of these, which I'm so happy about, and I'm putting these in it. So these are JDM WX seats, specifically made for a GC, which is awesome. I've been trying to find seats like this. I picked these up from a guy maybe like 30 minutes from me. Super cool guy who's building a coupe also. That's really nice. So should be a really cool car once he's done with it. And he gave me a good deal on these seats. They need a little bit of work, but I'm just happy that they're GC8 seats, and they're way more comfortable than the '06. And these color combo is like the black and gray. I actually like this color because my interior is this same color scheme, and I'm pretty boring, so I like very boring colors, and these are perfect for me. But they do have a little bit of 90s flair to them. I don't know if you can see, I never noticed this in the pictures, but as you can see, the threading in here is kind of all different colored. You can maybe see it on the back. There you go. So I think that's actually really cool. My favorite seats are the confetti Recaros that you can get for the GCs. They're just really hard to find. If I ever find a pair, I'm definitely going to buy them. But these will be good for now because, like I said, they fit the GC and they're really comfortable. They're just really dirty. So this is the passenger seat, and this is the driver's seat. So it's not bad. There's a little bit of damage there. But I mean, for an old seat, they're not too bad. The bolstering in them is really good still, especially in the driver's seat, so I'm happy about that. And I think once I shampoo them, I don't know if you can see the ass stain in the seat, but it's pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo those and get them in the car, and I'll show you the process of cleaning out my car, getting these seats in, and give you a little review once I'm done. Here's what my car looks like right now. So as you can see, it is disgusting. I don't think I've cleaned under the seat in such a long time. There's just a bunch of random stuff, probably from me and the previous owner. And yeah, the carpet in this car is pretty disgusting. It's definitely ripped up there too. But I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo all this too, and just clean up my whole interior while the seats are out. And I rented one of those, Bug Doctor, so I should be able to deep clean these really well in the seats. And I'm just gonna kind of do a little video of the steps instead of just filming clip by clip. So I'll put some music to the next few clips and show you the process of getting the interior back together.